Chaplaincy is more than a profession, it is sacred stewardship.
The chaplain stands between heaven and human vulnerability.
In moments of crisis, presence becomes holy ground. Sacred ministry requires reverence before responsibility. The sacredness of chaplaincy lies in quiet, compassionate presence. Where fear rises, the chaplain carries sacred assurance. Sacred ministry restores dignity where hope seems absent. The sacredness of chaplaincy flows from Christ's example of sacrificial love. The sacred task of intercession anchors chaplaincy in divine responsibility. A simple touch, when offered prayerfully, becomes sacred ministry. The shepherd image reminds us that care is holy oversight. Sacred encounters shape sacred calling. Chaplaincy reflects Christ's willingness to enter human brokenness. Sacred spaces are not defined by architecture, but by presence. In chaos, sacred calm distinguishes the chaplain. Sacred ministry crosses barriers others refuse to enter. The sacredness of chaplaincy begins in private devotion. Sacred authority is expressed through humble service. Sacred calling demands spiritual integrity. Across every context, chaplaincy remains holy trust. Sacred calling carries sacred accountability before God. Integrity in hidden moments sustains ministry in public spaces.
The sacred trust of confidentiality protects vulnerable souls.
Sacred leadership watches carefully over entrusted lives. Before speaking publicly, the chaplain must listen spiritually. Sacred ministry honors grief with dignity and restraint. Sacred presence restores worth where society withdraws it. I never thought of it that way. Sacred ministry stands firm in moral storms.
Sacred accountability includes speaking truth with courage.
The sacredness of chaplaincy is preserved through disciplined integrity. Sacred identity must remain steady within pluralistic environments. Respect for diversity does not weaken sacred conviction.
Sacred listening builds bridges across belief systems.
In academic spaces, sacred presence requires intellectual humility. Sacred ministry collaborates without surrendering moral authority. Sacred identity offers calm guidance within institutional tension. Sacred preparation strengthens public ministry. Sacred care honors both spiritual depth and professional discipline. The sacredness of chaplaincy transcends location. When sacred identity is secure, institutional service becomes transformative. Sacred ministry often begins in quiet obedience. Before public influence, there must be private surrender. Every doorway entered by a chaplain is sacred ground. Sacred presence dignifies grief. Sacred ministry restores hope where walls attempt to confine it. Sacred wisdom guides the questioning mind. The sacredness of chaplaincy rises through intercession. Scripture remains the wellspring of sacred authority. The sacredness of chaplaincy flows from Christ's sacrificial love. A Across centuries and institutions, sacred stewardship endures. Chaplaincy is not ordinary service, it is holy trust.
And holy trust demands reverence, integrity, and compassion.
When sacred identity is preserved, institutions are transformed.
May every chaplain serve with sacred awareness. Like, share, and subscribe to Chaplain Profojats as we continue shaping sacred leadership.